Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Black Ops 6 stuck while logging onto the game. Let's fix it guys. Method 1, you just need to open up File Explorer, go to Documents and find Call of Duty folder in here and right click on it and select Delete it. And now you just need to close tab here and launch the game and check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the method 2 guys. Method 2, you just need to go to search menu and type settings, click on open it. On left side select Windows Update. On right side select check for updates, and if you have any pending update listed over here, then you just need to update it and make your operating system up to date guys. After that you just need to scroll down and select advanced options. Select optional updates. In here, if you have any updates listed over here, then you just need to check marks the boxes and select the download and install option to update it. After getting update done, you just need to close tab here and go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can launch the game and check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the method 3 guys. Method 3, you just need to try this while loading the game. Press Alt plus Enter key together to force enter onto the window mode. Then when in the game switch back to full screen, this working for a person guys, and that's worked for lots of people as well. If this doesn't work for you, then try this guys. Just press in keyboard spacebar and clicking on the loading screen. That works for lots of people, and I hope one of these methods fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.